Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites and initiating the login process. Make sure Docker Engine is installed and that you can run sudo docker ps. Once done, open a terminal and confirm your user is in the Docker group or be prepared to use sudo. Next, prepare your Docker Hub username and password. You will need them for authentication. Finally, check network access so Docker can reach Registry 1. Docker. EO, if you're behind a proxy. Export HTTP proxy and HTTPS proxy before continuing. Now perform the login command and understand what each part does. Type docker login your username and press enter. Docker prompts for your password to securely create a credentials token stored in /. Docker/config. JSON. For automation, echo password docker login username password stdin so the password never appears in process lists. Once login completes, validate success with Docker info or by pulling a small image. This confirms you have a valid token and permissions for pulls and pushes. Finish by verifying and managing credentials. Pull a test image like Docker pull hello world to ensure authentication works. Once confirmed, you can push images to your repository. If you need to clear stored credentials, run docker logout to remove the token. If login fails, inspect /. Docker/config. JSON for malformed entries, verify system time and DNS, and ensure proxy environment variables are set correctly. One key troubleshooting tip: recreate /. Docker/config.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.